1981 22R original. This is why I love them. In the last 40 something years, the only thing this thing has ever had is a clutch fan, some belts. You can see all the oil leaking everywhere. It definitely hasn't had any timing case cover gasket replacement or any other oil leak fixed. Take a look down on this pan area, oil filter area. It's a daily driver. It's been driving like this for years. It takes years to gather up all that debris off of your belts and everything over your bolt holes like that. Years and years of leaking and running great. Look at that. That bolt hasn't been touched in so long. Thing runs like a champ. Probably leak like this for the next 10 years, 20 years, who knows. Anyway, that's what the Legends are made of. You don't have to keep tuning it up, fixing every leak on it to have it run. It's got dirty oil in it. Probably a little low. Does not mind it at all. Change it about every probably 50,000 miles. So that's it. That's why people love the Toyotas. Rusted out, falling apart, beds falling off, floorboards falling out, hinges are rusted everywhere, but you know, it runs like a top. In fact, while we're here, let's just fire it up. Why not? Look at that. Well, read it and wait. There she is. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Every once in a while I make one on one of these great 22Rs. See you on the next one.